I'm Frank Boyle, Public Adjuster for Ashish.Desai, and we are here at 1 Kelly Way to perform an attempted repair on this roof. The insurance company has called for multiple repairs to be done across this roof, and the insured's concerned about the viability of that and whether there's no chance of water coming in the home, and that can be done on the roof viably. So we are here to video that, and we're going to use a snake tool to do it. That's the tool that's recommended by most insurance companies for attempted repairs. Thank you very much.